The Federal Environment Agency's DataCube is a modern tool that simplifies access to environmental data. It enables comprehensive exploration, precise analysis, and versatile reuse of data. There are two ways to access the DataCube. First, via the topic overview, where users can access specific data areas. Second, there's a direct search function that allows users to search for specific terms. For example, you can enter the term greenhouse gas into the search bar. To obtain more specific results, you can use the filter options displayed on the left. The search results include datasets with extensive information. One example is the 2025 greenhouse gas projection for Germany. Such datasets provide not only a description but also contextual information and detailed metadata. The metadata also contains important information such as the publisher, license terms, and authorship. This information ensures quality and enables legally compliant reuse of the data. The data can be presented flexibly. For example, it can be displayed in a tabular view and filtered specifically. This makes it possible to display only the total emission of the transport sector. Additional information is available at the individual data point level. This provides further description of the metadata. Annotations also indicate whether the data are measured values, estimates, or averages, which underscores the reliability of the data. The platform is available bilingually, so both the data and metadata are provided in English and German. Additionally, the data can also be used directly. It can be visualized or downloaded in various formats, such as Excel or CSV. Integration via the REST API is also possible. Likewise, all the data in the DataCube complies with the FAIR principles, meaning it can be found easily, is accessible, interoperable in different systems, and reusable. Extensive documentation and machine-readable formats also facilitate sustainable use. The Federal Environment Agency's DataCube is thus a key tool for the transparent and responsible use of environmental data, whether in research, education, or practice. Thank you for watching. For more information, please see our other DataCube tutorials.